So this is the peakbot watch list, and this is the detailed trend spread weekly. So if you're getting the watch list from peakbot, or you're you have a subscription to peakbot, this weekly watch list is what you want to look at. This is the one that I sent the video yesterday, but I'm going to break it down for us here. Here, this is what Ben was talking about, that if you're looking for, they've taken these EV, pop, return on investment, and the buffer, they've taken these four columns and put them green or not green. So if you are looking for a good high probability trade, it's not just potential of profit or probability of profit, which is a pop, but they're looking for the ones that have greens all across these four. So VU has 3 of the 4. Apple has 3 of the 4. We are also looking for lower risk. That's what we do anyway. But if you scroll down, you're seeing this 3 of the 4, 3 of 4, 3 of 4. Here we go. Delta Airlines has a 4 of 4, has all 4 of these things. It's showing in moderate risk, but it is showing it's bullish. The potential for this trade, because you got all 4, is for this trade to be successful, is pretty high. You do want to, of course, look at it, make sure that you agree, look at your charting and such. But that's Delta Airlines for the 4 across. It's 10 in the morning, so I don't really see any at this point. Maybe some more data needs to come in for the day. But if you're looking here, you've got 3 of the 4 advanced auto parts. Now we're in high risk. We don't do really high risk. I don't ever suggest high risk to anybody. We got KRE, Exxon, Best Buy has 3 of the 4. Okay, looking for this. So if you want to look at what are going to be applied materials, what are going to be some good high probability trades, Airbnb, you may want to consider utilizing the watch list that's on Peakbot. You got Morgan Stanley, Google, Boeing. Tanya, here's your Google. Shopify is here as a 3 out of 4. Yesterday, Shopify was a 4 out of 4. Snow was 4 out of 4 yesterday. Google is here again with 3 out of 4, that kind of thing. So I wanted you to see this, to see, even if you're looking in the lower risk, you got McDonald's, Merck, McDonald's and Merck, not IYR, CVX or Chevron, Johnson & Johnson. These are all that are on our list as well. So you're looking for ones that are 3 out of 4, 4 out of 4 in order to decide that you could trade those. Those are high probability trades, okay? You need to have a subscription to Peakbot if you're going to use them, but that's what this is all about, all righty?